Hi, Chef J here. Today I'm going to make Kanpyo Roll, Japanese dried gourd strips makizushi. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 3 nori sheet, 20 grams of kanpyo, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt, and sugar well to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice paddle. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before using it for making sushi rolls. Step 4. Divide a nori sheet in half. Follow the lines on the seaweed and cut along their direction with your hand or scissors. Step 5. Rinse the dried kanpyo with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and massage. Rinse it with water again. Cut the kanpyo into lengths that match the size of the nori sheets. In a pot, add plenty of water and the kanpyo. Boil for about 10 minutes to soften it. Drain the kanpyo and add it back into the pot along with the seasoning. Cook over low heat until the liquid is evaporated. Step 6. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nori sheet. Wet your hands with water. Grab the sushi rice and evenly spread the rice on the nori sheet using your hand. Step 7. Place the kanpyo in the center of the rice. Use your middle finger to hold down the kanpyo and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Step 8. Wet the knife with a damp cloth and cut the sushi roll in half. Align the two halves of the sushi rolls and cut them into thirds. I hope you will enjoy these tasty kanpyo rolls. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.